Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I've got some stickers to share with you guys today. As most of you know, if you've been watching me for very long, I don't have either a Dollar Tree or a craft store in my hometown. And when I get the opportunity to go out of town and visit the craft stores and the Dollar Trees, I really love it. And you guys know that I've been into planners a little bit lately. I've been playing around with my happy planner. I explored maybe a little bit of the idea of bullet journaling, and I'm trying to kind of find the direction I want to go with that. And I've got lots of stickers that I can use in my planner or scrapbooking or even card making from my recent trip out of town. I've got some from Joann where they were having a great sale, and I had a coupon as well. Most are from Dollar Tree. And I've even got this little pack here from an online Etsy seller that I wanted to show you guys as well. I had searched everywhere for some payday stickers for my planner. And these were exactly what I was looking for. And you can get them printed in whatever color palette you choose. You can get all black, neutrals, pastels, or brights. I just love these for my purposes in my planner. They say payday on them. They've got a blank bar at the top and then an amount bar with a $sign in there. This is perfect for me. As you guys know, I do affiliate marketing with some of the products for my YouTube channel and things like that. And this is perfect for me because I can write in that top bar which affiliate account it came from and then the amount, and I can keep track of that. And I love these. And then I have just regular payday, just the word that I can put on for my husband's payday weekly into my calendar and keep track of everything like that. You can see I've already used a few of those. And these I think were out of stock in the all black, but I did go ahead and get the neutrals, pastels, and the brights. And I plan on getting more of these. These are exactly what I need for the way I want to do my payday tracking and things like that. And then I've got some little YouTube symbols that I can use in my planner to keep up with things that I'm doing with my YouTube channel. Some that have a YouTube symbol and say edit, film, upload. And I can keep up with what I need to do and keep my scheduling on track there. And they even included a little bonus sheet with some really cute little images on there. I think they're just adorable. And I will leave you guys the link to this seller. It's called LexingtonFlair, and they are in Lexington, Kentucky. And I think they are just great. So next up was my trip to Joann. And I know I said this was a sticker haul, but I did get a few other things in their Miss Sparkle and Company that I just absolutely could not resist. It was such a good deal. These were in a bin marked $1.99, and they were having a 50% off sale. And then I even had a coupon that was $5 off of 30 or more. So I went ahead and got some more of the double-sided tape for card making, scrapbooking, anything I want to use that for. I could even use that in my planner. And that's in, looks like about the 1/4 inch size. And I have some already in the 1/2 inch, and I thought this would come in handy as well. I've got another stamp set here with alphabet, and I think those will be really great for lots of uses. And then they had these really neat little stamp and die sets. It's got a lot of really cute stamp images on here, and then one has a matching die. And I just chose this one set here. Like I said, I was more out for sticker shopping that day, but I went ahead and got this. They did have more options with different kind of sets with a die included in every one, and I thought it was so cute. They also had these embossing folder and stamp sets, and these were also in the $1.99 bin that I got for $1. And there's an embossing folder that has sprinkles all over it, and then a cupcake stamp. I think that is adorable. Although I think I'll probably cut that in between so that I can stamp the bottom and then the frosting in different colors. And then this one here just has sort of dot confetti all over it and a pinwheel stamp. So cute. And then we have these little packs that include 5 sheets of washi stickers. And I have really been loving washi tape and washi stickers in my planner. So this was a really great find. All 5 sheets are the same, and that was $1 on sale, 50% off from the $1.99 bin. And all of that is the Miss Sparkle and Company. This was also at Joann, marked on clearance for 97 cents. And it's just some open boxes and banners. There are also some colorful little triangles that would be really great for bullet points or to-do lists, things like that. And then a few little decorative hexagon shape stickers up here. It has 2 sheets. They are the same images except for the one on the front has gold foiling detail and the one on the back does not. And included in the half off sale at Joann was Happy Planner stickers. And these huge sticker books were regular $19.99. I think one of them may have even been marked regular as $21.99. And they rang up for $9.99, $9.99, and $13.99. And that was even before my coupons were discounted off. So I got the Happy Planner Farmhouse sticker book. And it has so many beautiful things. And I'm loving my planner. I'm loving these stickers. I'm not really sure at this point how I feel about the Happy Planner itself. The disc bound system that it uses. I may prefer maybe a spiral coil. I'm going to look into some more planners and see what I can come up with. But the Happy Planner stickers are always so beautiful. I just love them. So many beautiful images in there. You've got decorative florals. You've got functional boxes and icon stickers, washi strips. So many different things in there that are so pretty. I can't wait to use that. And then this one by the Happy Planner also is called Color Story. And it has several sections that are all in a different color scheme. There is sort of a blue and pink scheme that you'll see for a few pages. And then it changes to these bright florals. And you've got boxes and things to match along with those images. Then we've got a tropical kind of theme. And then we're into more of a pastel, and then bright summer colors, holiday icons, metallics, and this one is the Happy Memory Keeping Holiday sticker book. And I love this because mostly in my calendar, you know, that's where I'm going to mark and track my holidays and things like that. So we've got cookout icons, little s'mores, St. Patrick's Day. I love these large words and phrases. Those are really great in the planner. And these could also be used, they're quite large. You could use these on cards and scrapbooking, just about anything you wanted. Pretty florals. There we have 4th of July, birthday, Valentine's, Thanksgiving, Halloween, fall, Christmas, New Year's, more Christmas. I love that little cartoon nativity. That is so cute. And that was everything that I got at Joann. And now for the really big haul came from Dollar Tree. And of course, as you know, they were all $1 each and they were amazing. I just love these 3D butterflies. I think those are adorable, and I've got an idea with these for a card that I hope I get time to do. I've got so many ideas that I'm trying to do. So here are some that were geared toward planners as well. We've got some little boxes and banners, little arrows. There's some little circle bullet points. More planner stickers. These are in more of a rainbow, maybe watercolor look, with all kinds of icons and banners and boxes for your planner. This seems to have a little bit of a travel theme to it. And here is one, pink, black, and gold. I love that, with sort of a love theme. And another one for planners, and this is in metallic pastels. So I think that's really cute. And then I found 2 packs of these. They actually had some more, but I just chose these 2. They are clear stickers with metallic foiling on them, and I love them. This is unicorns, and I think I'm going to have to hoard these and save those for a special project. I just love unicorns. And then here are some more like it with bees and dragonflies and ladybugs and caterpillars, and it is just adorable. That would be great for any springtime scrapbook layout, planner layout, anything you want to do with that, even on cards. And then this has 96, so it has 4 sheets of this that have the cute little sayings on there, OMG and LOL. I thought those were really cute. And then these are the clear stickers with butterfly and flower images on them. And I love the clear stickers. And then here are some with sayings on them. We've got cheer, the simple life, best, thanks, laugh often, peace, true, hope, live, imagine. Over here we've got for you, let's eat cake, happy birthday, celebrate, party, surprise, gift, make a wish. And you could reconfigure these however you wanted to. You could put birthday surprise, surprise party. You could cut this apart where it says let's celebrate. Any way you want to work that out. I love those. And then these are kind of comic book themed. I thought those were adorable too. They say things like smash, wow, goal, poof, oops, ouch, whap, wham, crack, crush, smash, zap. And then you've got like yes, LOL, smile, ouch, things like that. All in those comic book sort of word bubbles. And then we've got floral alphabets on a navy background. I thought those were adorable. I just love those. I wish it had numbers too, but it only includes the alphabet and a few punctuation marks there. And then, I'm not sure what I would use these for. They were designed for poster boards, it said, but I thought these large letters could come in handy and really make some cute spreads, sometimes in scrapbooks or planners. And then there are these. I love these. These are absolutely gorgeous. I was so surprised to find these in that Dollar Tree because I tried for so long to find these at that Dollar Tree. These were given to me by a friend because I never could find them, especially in the pink, in that Dollar Tree. I don't know why they didn't have them. They're on the connective strip, which I just love. And I never could find them in there. But I did find these. They're also on a connective strip. And they are clear with that rainbow AB coating on them. And I just love them. I went ahead and got 3 packs because I was afraid I wouldn't see them again, because I usually don't even see these at that Dollar Tree. But they were not in with the stickers and scrapbook and planner and office supplies and things like that. They were over hanging on a strip in the floral aisle. So I was surprised to find them, and I just love them. And also in the floral aisle, I found this adhesive diamond wrap. And it's that bling mesh on a huge sheet, but it's adhesive backed, and you just peel off that backer and you can stick it on. And I think that's going to be a lot of fun. How neat is that it's adhesive? That was also in the floral aisle, and I hadn't seen that before. So I was really tickled to find that. But I don't get a lot of opportunity to go to Dollar Tree, like I said. So maybe some of these things are not so new to you guys, but I had a blast. I was just like a kid in a candy store. So then here from the Jot brand was this huge pack of 56 stickers, and it's boxes and arrows and tabs and everything that you would need in your planner. We've got little sayings back here: laugh, check this out, to go, hearts, arrows, banners, hexagons. So many cute things to put into your planners. And this was a set. It's got that shiny sort of glimmery finish on it. And I assume this was left over from Valentine's Day. And it's red and pink and mint green. And I just loved the addition of the mint green in with the red and pink. I thought that was so cute. And I just love it. Usually when you see Valentine's stuff, it's a combination of pink, red, and purple. And I just thought that mint green was a good addition. That was a little bit different. And then here we have more for the planners. And these here are like connected in the middle, and you fold those over to stick on the edges of your page to make a tab. And then you've got little tag shapes, banners, phrases: live in the moment, today, hi, remember. And then another set of those in a purple scheme with more little sayings and banners and everything. And then finally another set in fall colors. So I was really glad to be able to go there and find really options for so many different times of year. I was really glad to be able to find all of those. So that is my sticker haul from Joann and Dollar Tree, and also that Etsy shop that I'll leave a link to for you guys as well. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I can't wait to get making some projects with these for you guys. I've got so many ideas, starting off especially with these 3D butterfly stickers. I can't wait. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.